right, let's take a look at this grill. The oxidation here is extensive, especially around the emblem.
The oxidation on these brackets is severe.
We'll need to pull the radiator. The fins are totally clogged.
The rust penetration here is significant. We need to prioritize the structural integrity first.
Agreed. The trailer panels look stable.
Surface corrosion on the fender is worse than anticipated.
Noted. The calipers show consistent wear on mechanicals, too.
I've captured the oxidation on the trailer panels.
Morning, guys. She's a beauty, isn't she?
Quite the project. We'll need to secure the trailer first before we try moving the tractor.
The rear suspension on the Mack is completely seized.
All right, bring the chains to the chassis point. Watch your hands on that connection. Got it, securing the shackle now. Rear chains are secured and shackled.
Trailer connection is solid.
Okay, pull the slack. Let's see how she sits. Keep it coming slow. Easy, easy. All right, hold it right there.
I want a full diagnostic on the trailer brakes. The wiring harness here looks completely shot. Got it. I'll add it to the list.
This Sprite trailer is in rough shape, but the bones are good. We'll start by stabilizing the axle before we roll it off.
All right, easy on that binder. Watch the tension. Got it, boss. Chain is clear. Where do you want it? Stack it with the others, nice and neat. Ramp's coming down. Watch the alignment. Clear on this side. Secure the pins. We are ready to roll. Easy now, steady on the left side. Keep it coming down slow. All right, you're clear. All right, bring it back slowly. Easy now, hold it right there. Perfect, kill the engine. Bring it back slow, keep it centered. Watch your clearance on the right. Looks good back here, boss. All right, hold it right there. Cut the engine. Look at the corrosion on this seam here. We need to measure the depth before we even think about disassembly. Got it. I'll note the priority level for the structural assessment. Look at the state of this grime. We'll need maximum pressure on the cab. All right, everyone ready? Remember, soft start on the Sprite logo. That hose clear of the axle. All right, pulling it back now.
right, the cleaning is complete. Now we can see the extent of the corrosion on the frame.
Yeah, look at this rust pocket by the suspension mount. Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch your back. Look at this rust spot right here by the mount point. Yeah, that explains the water staining we saw earlier. Look at the corrosion on this seam sealer here. We need to mark this section for replacement.
Got it. Area by the mounting bracket noted.
The tachometer housing is cracked. Yeah, and look at the oxidation on the circuit board here. We'll need to source replacements.
The wear here on the regulator, we need to document this before we pull the linkage rods.
Look at this seam right here. Yeah, that's definitely water intrusion. We'll need to treat that before sealing.
This section here for welding and corrosion treatment.
Roger that. Structural integrity check on the cross member. Check the seam right here. Yeah, that's deeper than we thought. We'll need to patch that. Okay, write this down. The lower curve is sitting at 14 inches exactly. Got it. How's the depth? How's the contour look right here? Is the panel sitting flush? Yeah, that's perfect. The body line flows right through. How is the contour looking on this side? It's coming in nicely. Just a touch more right there. About an 1/8 low on this side.
Okay, let's bump it up slightly before we tack it.
We're seeing some stress cracks on this side.
Okay, let's mark that for reinforcement during the next stage.
We're seeing some stress cracks on this
looking
side.
on the rear hanger.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's mark that for reinforcement
We
during
are
the
ready
next
for
stage.
wipe down.
Is
Seeing
that
some stress cracks on
consistency
this
looking on
side.
the rear hanger?
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's mark that
The
for
coverage looks
reinforcement.
good
We are
otherwise.
ready for wipe down.
Is
The
that
coverage
stress
looks back
cracks
here,
on
see,
this
looking on
side.
the rear hanger.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's mark that
The
for
coverage looks
reinforcement.
good otherwise.
Consistent
Ready for wipe
texture
down.
all the way through.
Is
The
that
coverage
stress
looks back
cracks
here,
on
see,
this
looking
side.
at the rear hanger. Completely shot.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's mark that
The
for
coverage looks
reinforcement.
good otherwise.
Consistent texture all the way through. The
Seeing
coverage
some
looks
stress
back here,
cracks
see,
on this
looking at the
side.
rear hanger. Completely shot.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's
Taking
mark
it
that
down.
for
Coverage looks
solid
good
otherwise.
otherwise.
Consistent texture all the way through. The coverage looks back here, see, looking at the rear hanger. Completely shot.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's
Taking
mark
it
that
down.
for
Coverage looks
solid
good
otherwise.
otherwise.
Consistent texture all the way through. The coverage looks back here, see, looking at the rear hanger. Completely shot.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's
Taking
mark
it
that
down.
for
Coverage looks
solid
good
otherwise.
otherwise.
Consistent texture all the way through. The coverage looks back here, see, looking at the rear hanger. Completely shot.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's
Taking
mark
it
that
down.
for
Coverage looks
solid
good
otherwise.
otherwise.
Consistent texture all the way through. The coverage looks back here, see, looking at the rear hanger. Completely shot.
Looks good,
Okay,
Chief.
let's
Taking
mark
it
that
down.
for
Coverage looks
solid
good
otherwise.
otherwise.
Consistent texture all the way through. According to the Sprite reference guide, the logo placement starts right here. Verified. Looks spot on. Keep the PSI steady. According to the Sprite reference guide, the logo
Looking good on the
placement starts
curves.
right
Make
here.
sure the blend is clean by the logo.
Looks spot on.
Color match is perfect on the cab corners. Let's double check the alignment on the trailer panels before we start the clear coat. The color match is perfect on the cab corners.
Yeah, incredible work, boss.
Let's
It
double
looks
check
better
the
than
alignment on
factory
the
new.
trailer panels
The team
before we
really
start the
nailed
clear
the
coat.
Sprite graphics alignment too.
The color match is perfect on the cab
team. The
corners.
alignment is perfect.
Let's double check the alignment on the trailer
detailing.
panels
The
before
team
we
really
start the
nailed
clear
the
coat.
Sprite graphics alignment too.
The color match is perfect on the cab
team. The
corners.
alignment is perfect.
Let's double check the alignment on the trailer
detailing.
panels
The team
before we
really
start the
nailed
clear
the
coat.
Sprite graphics alignment too.
The color match is perfect on the cab
team. The
corners.
alignment is perfect.
Let's double check the
Very
alignment on the
finely
trailer
detailing.
panels
The
before
team
we start
really
the
nailed
clear
the
coat.
Sprite graphics alignment too.
The color match is perfect on the cab
team. The
corners.
alignment is perfect.
Let's double check the alignment on the trailer panels
The team
before we
really
start the
nailed
clear
the
coat.
Sprite graphics alignment too.